Now, some of the stock in the Nigerian stock market have been performing well. We have the like of Eternal that's gotten 10% increase in the past 1 month. Also, O&O has gotten 9.95 increase in the last 1 month. Let's say you invested 100,000 naira in Eternal stock in August 2024. Currently, you must have gotten 110,000 naira in your portfolio. Now, the goal of this is not telling you to be a short-term investor. I'm trying to tell you that you should look at the Nigerian stock market because of currently it is performing well. So it's not just the US stock market that is performing well. The Nigerian stock market is performing well also. So how do you go about investing in this Nigerian stock market? This is the reason I'm making this video, so I can get started with investing in the Nigerian stock market. Now, the first thing you need to do is to set up a brokerage account. Now, there are lots of brokerage firms out there. There is Afrivestor, there's Stanbic IBTC, and there are lots of others, but I personally use Afrivestor 2.0 by Afrinvest. So how do you go about setting it up? Once you download the app on your Play Store, Apple Store, the next thing to do is to sign up. Now, while signing up, they will be needing some information from you, like your NIN, your BVN. They'll be needing your proof of identity, that's your voter's card, driver's license, or any other government issued ID card. The next thing they'll be needing is a proof of address, so you have to put your utility bill or your bank statement. So all these items they'll be needing from you once you are creating your account. Now, the next thing you need to do is to get yourself a CSCS number or a CHN number. Now, it's not something you need to worry yourself about. Once you've created your brokerage account, the brokerage firm themselves will get you a CSCS number. So once they approve your registration, you'd see your CSCS number in your profile and you can start using it. Now, this is your CSCS number. It's more like a unique number to all investors out there. So this is the number you'll be using to make some investments and the rest of them. So now you've gotten your brokerage account, you've gotten your CSCS number. What's the third thing for you to do? The third thing you need to do is to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. The reason for this is because we'll be giving you lots of information on how to go about investing and making some passive cash from the internet. So if you are yet to subscribe, do well to subscribe now for real. The third thing you need to do is to fund your account. How do you go about funding your account? If you're using Afrivestor 2.0, you'll be seeing an account number there where you can send money into. Now, that account is uniquely for you. It can be Wema Bank, and you can send money to that account and it will reflect in your brokerage account. Now, after funding your account, that is where you can start investing. How do you go about investing? It's not compulsory that you must be an expert in investing before you get started. Now, the good thing about all these brokerage companies is that most time they give you recommendation, stock recommendation. Now, you can check out that stock recommendation that is on your home page when you are opening your brokerage app. Once you check out those stock recommendations, now don't go ahead investing in those stock recommendations. You need to study the stock. You need to check how they have been performing for the past 1 month, for the past 6 months, for the past 1 year. Aside that, you need to do your own analysis. You need to check what this company is producing, if people are still patronizing this company, and the key innovation that have taken place in that company. Once you've done this research on your own and you are satisfied with what you've gotten, you can invest in the stock. So after investing in the stock, you see it as one of your portfolios. Once the stock is going up, your portfolio is also going up. How do you go about withdrawing? Once you've invested and you want to withdraw, you can go ahead opting out for withdrawal. Now, the settlement period in the Nigerian stock market is 3 days, which means if you initiate withdrawal today, you'll be getting it in about 3 days time. Now, you should not panic. The money comes to your bank account or it can come directly to your brokerage account for you to reinvest, depending on how you go about setting it. How do they get your account number? Yeah, during the registration process, you'll be required to put your account number when you're registering for your brokerage account. This is more like a giveaway. The Nigerian stock market opens by 9:30 till 2:30 daily from Monday to Friday. So this is the best time for you to go ahead investing and studying the market. You can only invest when the stock market has closed. If you want more information like this on how to go about investing in the stock market and how to go about getting some passive income online, do also subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friend, and don't forget to like this one.